stick its head through the wall.
I'm seeing through her. Oh no, she's almost out. I'm gonna.
I get the doggy! I get the doggy!
Stop! I tried to get her. She pulled me. I can get on there with a fence. Damn it, why are you putting it on right now? What we're gonna do?
Shut up. I'm zooming in. Idiot! What paint, you retard?
It's dry.
You got the silly goose.
Watch it slide. It's not recording. Oh yeah, it is. Never mind.
What?
Never mind, it is.
It's recording.
Well, it looks like y'all are standing in the stone.
Zoom!
Damn it, mother! Oh, Nicholas is fucking wet paint. Alright, look. Leave the door alone. Look.
What?
Climb on Amanda's car like that again. Climb on her car like that again. She's coming up tomorrow, I'm telling her. You fucking just did in her hood. Let's just climb the clown house. Dang it. Come here. I'm gonna jump off. Come here. Why? Come here. Dude, I'm not gonna hit you. Run back. If you run, I am gonna hit you. Go get the ball from underneath the car since you're there. Get away. You are not no jackass. Stop trying to act cool. Just get away. And I'm gonna sue you, little boy.
I got all that on camera. Want to be on YouTube?
Huh?
Want to be on YouTube?
No.
Okay, then I won't record you. Boy, get back here!
Let's get the ball. Got the ball. It's right there.
Ooh, he gonna get it.
I'm not doing nothing. Yes, he is. No, I'm not.
Look, that's not made to play with, okay? Go to school, you're not playing.
I'm messing with the pool then.
What?
No. We gotta do jackass. So stop. Put it down. Turn it off real quick.
No! Shopping cart.
This is Johnny Knoxville, and that's Jackass over there. And Superman.
That was recording. What'd you do?
Dude, we gotta think of videos before we start recording.
Nope.